Want to keep your customers and stakeholders updated on all things product while gathering feedback and new ideas? Welcome to airfocus Portal. With Portal, you can engage with your community on a branded, customer-facing interface that matches your corporate design. Let's take a look at how it works. The Portal is a public and interactive website where you can share items from your workspaces on customizable Portal pages. Your items can have customer-friendly names, descriptions, and even cover images to tailor your content to your Portal audience. To create your Portal, navigate to airfocus Home and switch to the Portals tab. Click Create Portal to get started. Give your Portal a name and customize its URL. Add your logo, fav icon, and brand color. Once you've created your Portal, you can then access the Pages tab. Pages are the top-level navigation elements of your Portal. When adding the first page, you can decide whether you would like to post items from one of your workspaces to the Portal or if you'd like to link an external URL. Note that external URLs will open in a new browser tab. This could be useful, for example, to link to your company's About Us page or any other existing resource you may have. To engage around your roadmaps, plans, and ideas, select Type Workspace. As part of the page settings, give your page a name, customize its URL, and select a workspace to connect with this page. You can now optionally select workspace fields as tabs and sections to organize your page. Activate the Forms app if you'd like to enable Portal visitors to provide feedback on the page and page items. Make sure the Forms app is active on the workspace for this page. The setup is now completed, and you have the option to further customize the page by adding a hero section to provide context to page visitors. You can also configure SEO metadata and search engine indexing. You've now successfully created your Portal page. Let's now go to the connected workspace and start posting items to the Portal. Please note that the Portal has now been activated for that workspace. Select an item that you want to show on your Portal page. In this example, let's select the Allow Users to Receive and Manage Notifications item. Within the Items Details view, click Post Item. Next, customize the item with a customer-friendly name and description and upload a cover image. Then post the item. Now that you've posted your first items, you can set your Portal live. Congratulations! You've now successfully created an amazing Portal that your audiences will love. Your Portal visitors can now leave feedback on your page and Portal items. In this example, let's gather feedback on the item you've just posted to your Portal page. Depending on how you've configured the Forms app, the submitted feedback will get sent to your feedback workspace so you can process it and generate insights. And that's Portal for you. Start engaging with your users on your branded Portal today.